I got great news to tell you guys today. The Supreme Court of the United States of America has just ruled in favor that gay marriage shall be legalized across the board in all 50 states. This is a huge victory for equal rights. This is like the D-Day for equality. Mark your calendars because June 26, 2015 will be a date to be remembered. This is like Brown versus Board of Education and so many other landmark civil rights cases that brought us a step further to everyone being treated equally. Now, I live in a state, which is Ohio, to where gay marriage wasn't legalized, and I'm pretty sure in Ohio we're also one of the few states that didn't recognize gay marriage certificates from other states. And I have a lot of gay friends who were unable, to, if they wanted to, be married with their partner that they've been with for a while. It's sad when someone has been with someone for decades and they're unable to marry and get the full spousal benefits of being with that person, and still people to this day are against it. I mean, and it just blows my mind the way that someone can be so against something that doesn't affect them whatsoever. If you're a heterosexual, what difference does it make whether or not gay people can be married? That's like caring about what's in my neighbor's refrigerator. It doesn't affect you. That doesn't make a difference. If they have, I don't know, generic orange juice or something in their fridge, what does that have to do with you? Nothing. Exactly. It just blows my mind away. And honestly, I'm going to tell you, the main reason why gay marriage hasn't been legalized in all 50 states throughout our country is almost exclusively, the responsibility falls almost exclusively to the religious right in our country. Every anti-gay marriage organization in our country, if you follow the money trail back to where they're getting their funding from, there's always some sort of religious element involved into making sure people can't get married. I mean, look at it. I don't see any non-religious organizations or even liberal organizations, for the most part, that are against gay marriage. And then when people say that, oh, well, the Bible says marriage is between a man and a woman. First off, who fucking cares what a 2,000-year-old book has to say? You know what else it says in that book? It says that a man was talking to a burning bush and the bush was talking back to him, where a 600-year-old man put all the animals on a fucking boat, and he put every animal on a boat. Who cares? But then also, if you actually read the Bible, it's the main marriages in the Bible are a man and a woman 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 and another, and it's usually a man and about 5 or 6 different women. But for the most part, the religious people are against polygamy. And me personally, if you can handle having that amount of, as a dude, if you can handle that amount of women being in your life or whatever, I mean, hey, go for it, buddy. That's whatever. Or even the reversal, if you want to, or however you want to, play a woman, or man, or whatever. If you want to, as long as everyone's a consenting adult, then I see nothing wrong with it whatsoever. But then you see all this dumb shit on social media, and actually not like my Facebook feed, because most of my friends are pro marriage equality. But I seen like on CNN, like the CNN video today, I seen people say, "This is just like the fall of the Roman Empire. We're going to have the apocalypse, and it's going to be the end of time. Mark your calendar. This is the fall of America because you treat people equally." I think that'd be an advancement in our country. Because the same people are saying that bullshit right there are just like the same people 50, 60 years ago saying that, oh, blacks and whites can't get married. Or blacks shouldn't be treated equally. Or Mexicans shouldn't be treated equally. And it's if you quote someone verbatim from back then and you replace black with gay, it's almost identical. And actually, I remember a pastor actually read off, it was a interracial marriage speech or whatever, and he pretty much just replaced black and white with like gay or whatever. And he said, I mean, so see how stupid you guys look for being against gay people for being married or whatever. And he made a good point. I actually liked his speech or whatever, because it shows people how their bigotry look stupid in other ways. And it's just, oh my gosh. And then you also have people who say stuff like, oh, well, if you legalize gay marriage, and then straight people will automatically turn gay. Now, I'm in a relationship. I've been dating my girlfriend for almost 4 years now. And we traveled throughout the country. We've been through states that have not legalized gay marriage and states that have legalized gay marriage. And I can tell you now that when we enter into a state that has legalized gay marriage, I don't think, oh, well, this state's legalized gay marriage, I'm going to go suck a cock now. That's not how I roll, but I'm sure that's how Ted Haggard rolls. That's his persona or whatever. But that's none of my business. But in closing, I'm very happy that the Supreme Court made the right decision in this court verdict. It's wonderful. I'm very happy that people can now be treated equally with, and it's really, it makes me all fuzzy on the inside. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Tell me what you guys think of this in the comments below. You know, if you guys want to comment some dumb shit you saw today from people who are against gay marriage, I always enjoy reading that kind of stuff because it's entertaining to me. So that's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video, and comment